Today we'll be making a traditional Hong Kong wife cake. All the ingredients and measurements will be down below. Today I'll be using candied wintermelon, which you can find around Lunar New Year time, but you can also use fresh wintermelon. So let's begin. We'll start with our filling. To a pan, add in water, oil, sugar, and then give it a mix to dissolve the sugar. Then we'll add in our glutinous rice flour slowly. Once fully added, add in your candied wintermelon, continue to mix until a paste like this forms. Now set the filling aside to cool, and we'll use this later. Once fully cooled, we can take our filling and divide and shape. For this recipe, we'll be making 6 wife cakes, so divide your filling into 6 pieces. Now we can start on our dough. Our first dough will be the oil dough. In a bowl, add in your flour and your oil. Mix so that the flour is fully incorporated. Then cover with plastic wrap so that it doesn't dry out. Now we'll work on our second dough, the water oil dough. To a bowl, add in your flour, sugar, oil, and water. Stir to combine. Then use your hands to give it a quick knead so that it's fully incorporated and smooth. We'll wrap this dough and let it rest for a bit. Then we can combine our 2 doughs. First, take out your water oil dough, gently flatten it, then take out the oil dough, and then we'll place it inside our water dough. As you wrap the oil dough, make sure to pinch the seams as you go. Now we'll flatten our combined dough and roll it into a rectangle. Once you've formed your large rectangle, we can roll it into a log. Pinch the seams and then we'll divide the dough into 6 equal pieces. Now we can assemble our wife cakes and place our filling. Take each piece and roll it flat. Take the filling and place it inside. To shape the wife cake, gently flatten it. Then repeat this process until you've finished all 6 wife cakes. For a beautiful finish, brush your wife cakes with an egg yolk. Then using a knife, cut 2 slits for each cake and make sure that it reaches the bottom. For the final finishes, sprinkle with sesame seeds. Now bake the wife cakes at 355 for 20 minutes. And there you have it, your delicious, flaky wife cakes. Enjoy!